Hello there, welcome to my channel today. You're welcome back. Today I want to show us a simple thing which is really effective. And if you're a Python programmer, you should use this, and you must know that this is really going to help you. In fact, if you're a beginner, you are an advanced intermediate, this is for you. You should know this. It will really help you. Sometimes even trick your friends and stuff. And so, but before we get into the video for today, please, if you know you've not subscribed yet, kindly go on and do that, and make sure you hit the like button, and then let's keep growing the channel. I recommend you to share it too. So let's get into it. So we are going to learn how to download Instagram images for free using Python, right? If you're a Python programmer, I am teaching you this. You're going to download Instagram images using Python for free, and it is really cheap, very very cheap. Just 4 lines of code, and then we are done. So I would urge you to just stay tuned, go nowhere, and make sure you are with me in order to get all the steps, or else you will be confused. So let's just get into it, and then install something. So we start by importing a model called instaloader, right? Will help us enter into the Instagram account and then download the image we are supposed to download. So after you've imported this model called the instaloader, you create a variable, let's say test, equal to let's say instaloader dot insta sorry instaloader, right? You bring your brackets, you go to the next line, and then you create another variable called account, equal to, this is where you are going to accept the profile name. Let's say you want to download a picture from maybe the Ghana Army Instagram profile. You have to type their profile name in order to get access into some of their pictures. And so this is where you're gonna access this is where you're gonna accept the profile name of the profile you want to download the picture from. So you say input, um you bring your bracket, then we put something like enter profile name, sorry, enter profile name. So with these lines of code, you are almost done. It's left with only 1 line of code in order to get your program running and moving fast. So let's move to the last line, which is you're going to say test, which is the first variable you created, dot download, sorry, download, you bring underscore profile, right? You open your bracket, then you bring the second variable you created, account, comma, then you say profile underscore pic, you say only. This one we are trying to download only the profile picture and not other pictures. We are downloading only the profile picture, so that is why we are saying profile pic only. Then you say equal to boolean, which is true, like this. So after writing these lines of code, you are almost done with it. Let's say you are even done with it. This small lines of code can download the image we are looking for. So let's try running it and see. You can type, if you're on Windows, you can type F5, and then you hit the OK button, and then let's see. It says enter profile name. So let me try entering something. Uh, Hit enter. Let's see what we get. Let's see. So we wait a while as it keeps running. Okay, so we get this feedback. It's a stored ID, and it gives you an ID for profile output, and then this is the image, right? So let's go look at the image. Let's go look at the image. Let me minimize this. So I open my Python um, I open my Python folder, and then here's the image we downloaded. So it's relevance, and then there's the image. Click on it. This is the image. So as you can see, as simple as that, we just downloaded an Instagram image with just 4 lines of code. And so I recommend this for you, that anytime you want to download an image, you go in for this, you use this, and it is really going to help you. Thank you for watching. And again, if you've not subscribed, kindly do that. See you some other time.